Well, the last 6 days they have been a fascinating adventure through the jungle of the logical process, full of trees and branches. We have gone and we have learned down in detail how to define a goal, how to analyze the problems that they keep us away from that goal, how to model and design the future, and finally how to implement solutions. It has been a detailed training course. Mr. Detmer he's a genius and a legend at that, and I feel very honored to be trained by him. It's a course that I would recommend to anyone that he wants to forward in everything that he's doing.